We're here with St. Andrew Technical High School's goalkeeper, standout player today, on the unfortunate losing end. First of all, bad result. How are you feeling right now?
Well, they lose, yes, they don't want to win, but main focus on Money Cup final, to be honest.
Alright, so you guys are out of the Champions Cup, but you guys managed to make it this far. How did it feel to be in a competition like this, and how did it feel to play in the Champions Cup? New jerseys, new atmosphere, everything. And Staths got the names on their jerseys. So how does it feel to be in the Champions Cup?
It's a great feeling, to be honest. My first time playing Money Cup and Champions Cup and Money Cup final, so it's a great feeling.
You had yet another outstanding game. You made some amazing saves, managing to keep your team in the game. Speak to us about how it is that you manage to constantly pull off these good performances on these very big occasions.
Repeat?
Speak to us about how is it that you manage to pull off these big performances on these big occasions.
Repeat yourself.
How do you manage to play so well in big games like this?
Just follow my coach instruction and things, so yeah.
You had to leave the field early today. Can you please tell the people why you had to be substituted off?
I upset stomach and didn't feel well.
So you fought through an upset stomach to continue to play the game?
Yes.
And still played very well. And last question, you have the Money Cup finals next week Friday. You'll be playing Jamaica College again. Do you think you guys will be able to get the better of them in that game?
Most definitely. And
do you think you'll be well and healthy by that time?
Yeah, well up next match.
Alright, good game again, Jaheem.